Hey, what's up, guys? Today we've got a pretty nice size package here from Mekibo, from our friends over there at Mekibo. Thanks out to Popcorn for getting this out to me quickly. Let's take a look over here. The product page. This is GMK Red Devils. There is still a couple things in stock, the Deskmat and the Hangle. I hope I pronounced that right. Is it Hangul or Hangul? I don't know. Sorry. Um, this this set was inspired by the South Korean soccer team, their national team. I am not a soccer or football, whatever part of the world fan, so I don't know much about it. I just happen to like the colors of the set, and I like the artisans. So I purchased the base kit, which is 175. I did not purchase the word that I probably butchered earlier kit for $85. I believe I got the space bars, they were 40. I did not get, I have no idea how to say this word. I will try to butcher it. Takugaki. I don't know. I did get the RAMA Harangi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, which I did Google means tiger. I did not get the Rama Top Gok, which just reminds me of like the 90s Pepsi logo. I did order the Salvun Dokabi. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's basically a demon. And then I've got the Deskmat. So, without any further ado, let's get into this thing. It's fragile. I like that she puts those stickers on the stuff that she ships. I'm probably going to have to look into getting some as well. I don't know if the post office, if they actually pay any attention to it, but I feel like it's an added little touch that just, can't be a bad thing, right? Unless you've just got that one post office worker that's just having a bad day and feels like kicking the boxes labeled fragile. So, let's see what we've got in here. All right. So I saw this set shortly after people started getting it all over Instagram, and I really liked the way that the red, like, I don't know if it was just the pictures that they took or what, but I really liked the red. It was a really bright, vibrant red. So let's pop into here. Let's open the base set first, right? Why not get right to it? And I am one of those weirdos that saves these terrible trays just because at least there's something to keep it in. Alright, second wrap on it here. And personally, I've gotten to where I prefer PBT keycaps, so if I buy GMK, it's usually just something to collect. I don't know how long it takes for everybody else to shine, but I start seeing shine within a week or two. Okay, so yeah, so it is a very bright, vibrant red, and I really like that. I've heard some people describe it as almost pink. I'm not getting that. I'm getting that it's maybe a lighter red when the light hits it just at that right angle, but I wouldn't go so far as to call it pink by any means. It's really nice. I didn't even realize the base set had the sub legends as well. Okay, cool. So apparently the base set also has the same Hangul or however it's pronounced sub legends. I am so sorry if I offend anyone for that being their language, but the blue, the red, they both pop really well. And I mean that's one thing that I do like about GMK. They get the colors. They get the colors. They get the nice, cool designers working with them. That I wish more people would start doing more PBT stuff because personally, I prefer that PBT sound profile. I like it to be a little deeper, not that high-pitched, almost tinny sound that you get with GMK, in my opinion. The Deskmat, let's pull this out real quick, and then we'll get into the Salvun, the RAMA, and the space bars. So the Deskmat here, pretty simple design, red and black. I don't know what that says down there. I don't know what those symbols mean. I'll have to look into that, but it's hard for me to pass up a new Deskmat for my collection, so we picked that up. I guess everyone has got my mailing address by now. Luckily, that's not my home address, so if you show up, tell my friends that get my mail I said hello. Let's see, the space bars. There's a little dust in there, but they're just red space bars. I'm not going to open those right now. It's just easier for me if I keep them together. And okay, cool. So the RAMA keycap here. It is a nice blue. Let's pull it out. Sorry, I've got that like paper debris from the trays. But so, oh, it's gonna reflect bad in here. So, actually, I'll get up here closer. Give you a good look at it. It gives me an excuse to show off my anti-tactile linear club shirt from Lux. Definitely cop them if you're like me and prefer linears. So there's the top. Here is the bottom. It does say RAMA Red Devils. And the Salvun. I will open this guy up as well. Sorry, I know it's out of focus, but it's just easier for me to leave it unfocused while I open this to show you the Salvun. So this guy right here, as you can see, has the what's it called? Something with a D, Dakabi, Dakaba. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's basically what we would consider a demon or evil spirit, from what I gather. And here's the bottom. You see it says Salvun. It's black. Got that face on it. Looks pretty freaking sweet in my opinion. Let's get this focused back on the mat. So I usually go through and check everything after the video to make sure that all of the letters, numbers, all the things that occasionally end up missing are here. So I'll probably do that after this video. But hey, glad you're hanging out. Glad you're checking out my video. Hope you liked and subscribed. Hope to see you back for the next one. Put some comments down below. Tell me what you think of this keycap set. What other stuff you'd like to see me do unboxings of. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you next time. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week. Goodbye.